bought a Bronco, you probably like to get outside. In this Gilbert guide, we're going to teach you how to remove the hardtop from the all-new Ford Bronco. First, you'll need to remove the front roof panels. Be sure to start with the driver's side. Fold the sun visors down. Unlatch the driver's side header panel at the top of the windshield. Then unlock the 3 L-shaped locks on the driver's side front roof panel by turning them and remove the driver's side front roof panel. Repeat these steps to remove the passenger side front panel. The storage bags help you protect your panels. The front panels will share a storage bag. Make sure the panels are clean, then flip the divider inside the bag out of the way. Place the first panel in the bag and add the divider. Then place the second one in and zip it closed. Then slide the bag into the cargo area standing straight up. Now we need to secure it. You're going to wrap the upper roof bag strap around the rear seat headrest snugly, but don't crush the head restraint. Hook the lower bag hooks to the front cargo rings. If you have a slide-out tailgate or any other accessories, you may have to store your panels horizontally. To do this, it's simple. Lay the bag down in the cargo area and install the loops through the 2 D-rings and secure the panels. After removing the fronts, let's start on the center panel by unlatching the driver and passenger side here, then unlocking the 3 L-shaped locks. Then we're going to remove the center panel with a friend's help and store it in a secure place. Now let's remove the rear panel. To do that, open the tailgate and lift open the tailgate window. Locate the wiring harness and the washer hose inside the cargo area on the driver's side. Now disconnect the wiring harness by pushing the tab to release and pull it down. Do the same exact thing for the hose connector. You're going to secure both of these by plugging them into their spots inside the Bronco. Next, let's open the rear doors. Remove the 2 screws that secure the rear roof panel at the C-pillar using the T50 Torx Plus. Now, unscrew the 4 bolts on each side at the base of the rear roof panel. With the tailgate window still open, and make sure you've got a friend's help, lift the rear roof panel straight up. Once the locating pins are completely out, just lift the roof off. So now we need to know how to put this roof panel back on. With the help of a friend, let's lift the rear roof panel onto the vehicle and make sure that you align the locating pins properly. Attach the panel to your Bronco by securing the 4 bolts on each side. Then use the T50 Torx Plus to reattach the 2 screws to the C-pillar. Now unplug the washer hose and wiring harness from the side of the truck and reconnect them to the roof panel. Install the center roof panel the same way it came off. Place it on the vehicle with the help of another person. Latch the driver and passenger side latches. Then, lock the 3 L-shaped locks on the center panel. Now take the front roof panels out of the bag and place them on the vehicle. Start with the passenger side. Latch the header at the top of the windshield and turn the 3 L-shaped latches to lock them. Repeat this same thing for the other side and you are free to get back on the road. Thanks for checking out another Gilbert guide. Be sure to check out our YouTube channel regularly so you can learn more about your vehicles.
Gilbert Ford in Okeechobee, where we speak y'all.